Birds' incredible sense of direction. They use a combination of sun, stars, and Earth's magnetic field, sense of smell, and internal compass to navigate their way. Due to this incredible ability, birds can fly back to their homes. Yes, nature is amazing. It's a sight to behold, with birds soaring through the sky, their wings catching golden hues of the setting sun. This is a beautiful nature instinct of the birds, as is in other living being. They have a long way to fly, and camera cannot reach that far. We wish them having restful night's sleep.